Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to iPad Focus. I'm your host today. Apple's third quarter fiscal 2025 results are just around the corner, and analysts are expecting some interesting trends. Specifically, we're looking at how Apple Intelligence will impact their sales of non-iPhone devices like Macs and iPads. According to Yahoo Finance, Apple Intelligence is an advanced personal intelligence system integrated into iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS Sequoia. This tech has been helping Apple sell more iPhones and other devices, including the iPhone. The services business is also expected to have benefited from a growing installed base of devices and subscriber base of its offerings, such as Apple TV Plus, Apple Pay, and Apple Music. Now, let's take a closer look at Mac sales. We're expecting growth year over year, but iPad revenues might be affected by sluggish demand in the upcoming quarter. According to Apple's financial reports, iPad accounted for roughly 6.7% of fiscal third quarter net sales. Strong demand for the iPad Pro and the launch of new models like the 11-inch and 13-inch iPad Air benefited sales, which increased 15.2% year over year. However, despite this growth, we're still expecting a 5.3% decline in iPad revenues in the fiscal third quarter. This might be due to the stiff competition in the streaming space from platforms like Disney Plus, Netflix, and Peacock. Apple TV Plus, in particular, is facing challenges as it tries to attract more subscribers. Now, let's look at the overall picture. With over 1 billion paid subscribers across its services portfolio, Apple has a strong presence in the market. However, it's clear that they're facing some stiff competition from other players like Disney and Netflix. The Zacks consensus estimate for third quarter fiscal 2025 services is pegged at $26.96 billion, suggesting 11.3% year-over-year growth. Apple's Mac segment is expected to see a modest 2.2% year-over-year growth in the fiscal third quarter, with shipments increasing by 21.4%. This is one of the largest shipment growth rates among all vendors. However, it's worth noting that Apple's market share in the PC space has been steadily increasing. As we await Apple's official results, it'll be interesting to see how their strategy plays out. With the rise of Apple Intelligence and its focus on services, we can expect significant developments in the coming months. Stay tuned for more updates from iPad Focus.